In this video, we are going to go over how to create your North Shore login and password. So first step, you need to go to northshorecollege.edu webpage. And then at the top left, you will see Canvas. So Canvas is North Shore's Moodle. So this is where all of our class information, online homework, grades, online quiz will be housed in Canvas. So click on Canvas. And then you will click on this Canvas logo. And it'll bring you to a username and password. So we are going to set up our username and password. So you'll need to click on this first link, Lola user reset password, because you are enrolled as a student. Then how would you like to start? You'll need to click on verify personal information. Do not click send email because it will send to your North Shore email. You will need to click on verify personal information. Then you will type in your social security number and your birthday. Once you do this, it is going to give you, click next, your username. So write your username down. Then you'll need to click on next because now we're going to set our password. So after you write down your username, click on next. And you'll need to set your password. It has to be 12 to 20 characters, one uppercase, one number, and one of these symbols. Once you create your password, write it down, and then click on next. Then you can exit out of this screen and go back to, if you want to start over, go to Canvas, click on the logo, and now type in your username and password, and then log in. From here, you will see your class listed in a box, and then you can click on it to open it and go through the My Math Lab information. If you want to view the syllabus, you can do all that from here. My videos, note sheets, study guides are all on Canvas. You'll need to click on either Home or Modules to see the full list.